modification to exhaust, you shall go before a judge, and it's a $1,000 fine.
Yo, what's up family? In today's video, we're going to be talking about the new exhaust laws and changes for 2019. It is no longer a fix-it ticket. It is a mandatory $1,000 fine and a visit to the state ref. So if you want to know more about this topic, stay tuned because we're going to go over all of that in today's video. Yo, what's up YouTube? Ryan with the Hemifam back with another awesome, exciting video for you guys. On this channel, we do car videos, mods, unboxings, reviews, news. So if you are new to this channel, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button. You are definitely not going to want to miss all the awesome videos we have lined up in store for you guys. Just like the one we are doing today, the 2019 new exhaust laws and changes. Guys, this is some serious I don't know who's making these laws in California, what they are thinking, but this is a total attack on the car guys, whether you are a Mopar guy, Chevy, Ford, even the Hondas. This is an attack on all of us, guys. So basically, in 2019, the changes are any modifications to the exhaust, whether that be a mid-muffler delete, flow masters, any cutting, chopping, alteration of your stock factory exhaust from off the dealer lot is considered tampering with the exhaust, and you will get a $1,000 fine. That is ridiculous. Now, on top of the $1,000 fine, you also get a visit to the state ref. What the f? That is ridiculous. The state ref is the one guy you don't want to see ever in your life, guys. He will make your life a living hell. He will make your car unregisterable in California. He can crush your car. His power is tremendous. And what that means is you will get a ticket to fix the exhaust, return it back to stock, whether you have the stuff or not. So if you did a mid-muffler delete, the off-road mid-pipes, hopefully you kept the stock parts, because if you do live in California and get popped, you will have to put that back to factory. Now, once you have everything back stock factory, you have to visit the state ref. Now, he is going to go over your car with a fine-tooth comb, front to back, engine, exhaust, pretty much the entire car, and look for anything that is not CARB certified, California legal. And if you have something that he doesn't like, illegal, not CARB certified, guess what, guys? You are going to have to return all those parts, take all those parts out, return the factory parts to stock in order for him to let you drive your vehicle on California roads. What is going on here? This is a total attack on the car guys. Now let me play you a video that we recently came across that was sent to us, and we have been getting lots of requests and messages to do an exhaust update law video. So let me play this clip.
There's the citation. You also need to take to a state referee and have them verify all the components on this motor and this exhaust system, okay? There'll be some information on this citation. You'll also receive something in the mail.
Okay.
All right? It's no longer correctable in California.
Okay.
Any modification to exhaust, you shall go before a judge, and it's a $1,000 fine.
Yeah, I wasn't aware of it.
That changed last month due to the takeovers and some of the street racing.
I
So
get it.
unfortunately, you're facing $1,000, buddy, and we'll see you in court. Everything we do here is video cameraed. All right, you guys be careful as you pull away. I recommend fixing it right away and not continuing to drive. We're on a federal grant right now. There's about a dozen of us working this. We're going to be working this every weekend.
Okay.
And 2 or 3 times during the week sporadically. All because of the fatalities involving cars similar to this. Not same as you guys, but you're driving one with the stuff, get it fixed.
Okay.
Otherwise, $1,000 every time. All right, guys, be careful.
Oh my gosh. Would you just listen to this, guys? The cop is being, I mean, in my opinion, he's kind of being an asshole to this girl. Don't have too much information on the backstory of this video. This was just sent to us, and it looks like he or she is one of the very first ones. But I mean, the cop is just rude. He's being kind of defensive right off the bat. He's telling them that, hey, your card looks like, he's saying, I'm not saying you guys are the ones racing, doing sideshows, street takeovers, but you're driving a car that looks like it. Oh my gosh, dude, come on, California. Innocent until proven guilty. I mean, you cannot go searching for Mopars, Fords, Chevys, and just pulling them over and saying, oh, well, your exhaust looks like it's modified. It sounds like it's modified. Ticket, $1,000. Go see the ref. Done. That's bullshit if you ask me. Not everybody are criminals, street racers, doing street takeovers, burnouts in the intersections like some of these other people do. And if you are a club that is doing street takeovers, this type of stuff, please stop. You are painting a target on all of the Mopar owners, including myself. And you're making a bad rep for the Mopar guys, the car community in general. And if you're in California, this has trickled down to this new exhaust law. The cop literally says it in the video. Due to all of the sideshows, street takeovers,
Due to the takeovers and some of the street racing.
this is the law, and that's it. So pretty terrible stuff, guys. I know the car scene is really bad in California. It has been for a few months now, and the California Highway Patrol recently just released a statement or a post on their Facebook wall stating this very exact thing, which I will put on the screen here, and I will read that out to you guys as well. So this comes from the California Highway Patrol, Antelope Valley. New California law for 2019, as of January 1st, 2019, a modified exhaust on an automobile or motorcycle excessively loud can no longer be cited as a correctable violation. Assembly Bill AB 1824 has taken away the opportunity to correct the violation and requires a citation, which is $1,000 for such violation to result in a fine only. In many cases may also result in a trip to the Bureau of Automotive Repair, the BAR, which is basically the state ref. If you feel your vehicle is grossly negligent in this area, removing resonators, deleting mufflers, etc., you know who you are. Don't waste your hard-earned money on this violation. Drive safe, everyone. So that is directly from the mouth of the California Highway Patrol, guys. So if you live in an area that is heavily patrolled by Highway Patrol, police, use extreme caution when driving your Mopars, guys. Your modded Mopars. I'm talking about the engine, guys. Heavily modified engines that may not be California legal. If they catch you and the state ref visits you or you visit him, you're gonna have to remove all that stuff, and it's just gonna be bad, guys. We spend lots of money on the parts, getting it installed, in order for California to have us remove those parts and have to go back to stock when you are not a street racer, a street takeover, or doing illegal stupid stuff. I mean, that's bullcrap. I can see now if you are a repeat offender, reckless driving, burnouts, sideshows, idiotic, stupid stuff, by all means, take somebody's car, do what you have to do to it, but not us law-abiding citizens, guys. I mean, California is just getting shittier every year, guys. with these new laws, from the car laws, gun laws, banning straws. I mean, the list goes on, and it is absolutely ridiculous. If I wasn't so rooted and invested in California, I would be thinking about moving in a heartbeat, because this is just sad. I don't even want to drive my car because you guys know the mods that I have on it, and it is extremely, extremely loud. Now, if you caught this in the video, the officer specifically says they are grant funded.
We're on a federal grant right now. So there's about a dozen of us working this. We're going to be working this every weekend, and 2 or 3 times during the week sporadically. All because of the fatalities involving cars similar to this. Not saying it was you guys, but you're driving one with the stuff, get it fixed.
Okay.
Otherwise, $1,000 every time.
So I believe the government is giving these local PDs and places money so they can employ these officers, train them for car stuff. How much they know, I don't know. And have them sit on intersections, sidewalks, and watch us and listen. So anytime they hear a loud exhaust, or maybe if they even see a car that looks heavily modded, they're gonna stop you guys. They're gonna pull you over. They're gonna say, pop the hood. They're gonna mirror everything, and it's sad. It's almost like you are a criminal. They're gonna treat you like a criminal. They're gonna, and your car. They're gonna say, maybe I didn't see you, but you are probably doing racing, doing stupid crap. When that is not the case, I am a family man, business owner, YouTuber. I'm not out there doing stupid, idiotic stuff, guys. I'm not 18 years old. I know I'm not an idiot. So it's sad that I and everybody else will now be labeled as these people due to the street takeovers and all the media attention on these cars. Now, whether they're talking about Mopars in general, I don't know. I don't know what vehicle those people were in this video, but he did say you are driving a car just like it.
Not saying it was you guys, but you're driving one with the stuff, get it fixed.
Oh, that's terrible, man. I hate to be kind of, I hate the word, or I can't think of the word, but suspect, you know what I mean? It's terrible, guys. So the bottom line, if you live in California, you drive a registered California vehicle, be extremely, extremely careful, guys. I don't want anybody to have to pay $1,000 fine for something this stupid and have to demodify your car back to stock. So I am got my fingers crossed for me, for each and every one of you out there. Be sure you share this video, guys. Share it with a buddy. Share it on your Facebook wall. Let the people know so they don't get in trouble. And we may have to change our driving habits, guys. Be easier on the pedals so the exhaust isn't as loud and obvious. But this is just ridiculous. And I hate to see anybody get in trouble, pay $1,000 fine because we're, doing these videos that make your car run and sound good, but we live in crappy California. So be very, very careful if you do live in California, guys. I don't want to see anybody pay this money out of their pocket, and it's terrible. I don't know how much and often it is going to be enforced, but it is out there, and those are the changes. It used to be that anything over 95 decibels as far as the exhaust goes would be considered too loud, excessive, Now, if they sound checked your exhaust or they heard it, then you would have to get a fix-it ticket. Now take your car back to the muffler shop, put the stock exhaust back on, have it signed off, kind of like window tint, and you were good to go. Pay the fine, and you were golden. Now they have totally changed that. And what I would like to know, and I don't know much about this just yet, I'm not an attorney, we are not lawyers, we are just YouTubers, Mopar guys trying to help other Mopar guys not get in trouble. learn the laws and different changes. But my question is, what happens if, say you get pulled over, you get the $1,000 fine, you go to the state ref, you fix it, everything's stock. Now, what if you put a new exhaust system on there and you get sent to the state ref again? Is he gonna want to crush your car? This is crazy, guys. So I really hope this video helps you guys. If I can help just one person, my job is done. But be sure you get this video to your friends, family, car club guys. Let them know that this is some scary, scary stuff going on in California for 2019. It is just getting ridiculous. And if you have the opportunity, please move out of California. Go to Texas, go to Arizona. They are real gun-friendly states. It is cheaper, I believe, than California. It is expensive here. The laws are crap. It's almost like a third world country in a sense. If you can relate to that, it's ridiculous, man. I know a lot of people are like, oh, California is beautiful there, the weather, roads, beaches, but the laws suck and there's traffic. Don't come to California. We're closed. And you don't want to come to California if you have a badass modified car, because the cops are going to want to stop you and give you a ticket. Like my buddy BJ from BJ's Garage. On one of the past Spring Fest, he was just cruising down like Hollywood Avenue. His car's pro charged, loud, obviously registered out of state. And the cops stopped him and were like, bro, this car is not California legal. Get this car out of here right now before we tow it, crush it, whatever. And he was like, hey, my bad. And he was just cruising in his Scat Pack. And they thought he was racing because they heard the exhaust. Ridiculous, guys. Ridiculous. So, again, if you live in California, be very, very careful, guys. And that is pretty much going to be it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I hope this is going to help you in the future not get a modified exhaust ticket or pay a $1,000 fine, because shoot, $1,000 can go to a lot of car mods. That can be a nice payment for some wheels. That's tires, basically. A custom steering wheel from ModFX, bag money. List goes on and on. But it's not California modified exhaust money. Heck no. Shoot, I will pay them in pennies if I get a ticket like that. Believe that. But that is pretty much going to be it, guys. Be sure you like this video. Give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. Turn the bell on for post notifications. That way you can stay up to date with all things Hemifam. Check the video description for all of our social media links, our affiliate links. We have awesome information and promo codes for you in there to save some money, just like Blender's Eyewear. Get yourself some awesome sunglasses and affordable. So we also, on the Lux Auto Concepts flags, we are running down. I will put a link in there. So get your flags. Once they're gone, they are gone, guys. So again, I really hope this video helped somebody and everybody. And as always, guys, we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.